Bet. So I just entered McDank's 821 207.5 calls at 2.12 was my entry. 2.12. Once again, this will probably be like a day trade of the day. So make sure you go light, go like 5% of your account. I bought 821 207.5 calls, high risk, most likely like a day trade of the day type of deal. Maybe I'll scalp it. Who knows? I got in at 2.12. 821 207.5. Cool, cool. Well, we're already in some profits. However minute they may be, we're already in some profits. Yeah, GK, that's the plan. It's doing like a day trade of the day type of deal. Or I mean, day trade of the week, and then like a swing trade of the week. Yeah. So we got in at 2.12 on McDinks. I might trim some of it. That way I'm just not as exposed the rest of the day. Look, oh my gosh, McDinks is pumping. Who got in? My premiums just leapt so hard. Okay, I'm trimming half of my position right now. Jeez, that was nice. Okay, let's go. I ain't mad about it. Trimming half here. Okay, McDinks, I see you. Well, guys, do what you want with it. Theoretically, if we were scalping it, now would be our take profit point, right? Now would be our take profit point. However, once again, day trade of the day or week type of deal, whatever you want to do. Can't go broke taking profit. I agree. I 100% agree. So yeah, I am taking profit on 2/3 of my position, and I guess we will day trade the rest of it. So we're just gonna let this guy do its thing for a little bit. I won't be watching it for a while, I suppose. Let's look for more setups. Oh wait, Adobe is what I was watching. I want to show you guys Adobe really quick and why I like it. You guys see this trend line that we've seen on Adobe, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This would be its 9th touch. It might break below though, I suppose. We'll see. But nice, McThanks. And she just keeps on pumping. She's at 2.4 now. Wow. Once again, take profit on McDanks if you want. Oh, yo, who entered Mickey D's with us? Because it's at 2.44 right now. Hey, are you guys holding Mickey D's or are you guys going to be taking profit? What's your guys' plan? Nice, Mary Rose. That's awesome. You're holding. Crown scalped it. Yeah, I took profit on 2/3. It's at 2.48 right now. I'm just holding this final contract. You know what? No, I'm just going to take profit on all of it at 2.48. I can't. Low volume is my issue. Yeah. what was supposed to be a day trade became a scalp, but I don't think that's an issue, I suppose. As long as it's profit, exactly. So, oh, we got out at 2.6, baby. Let's go. In at 2.12, out at 2.6. That's a really big, what percent gain is that, guys? For those of you that can do math. 2.12 into 2.6. What's the math on that? 25%? I feel like that's more than 25%. Maybe I'm being greedy. That's a big sad, but I'll take it. 25% gain. That's pretty good. Good gain math. All right. Well, thank you, Mickey D's. Maybe it'll give us another entry. If not, that's all right. Thank you, Mary. I just posted in the Signals chat asking who played it. So if you guys just want to give me a thumbs up if you played it. Okay. That's the easiest money you guys will find. Not gonna lie. Yeah, Phantom, what's up? Ooh, did JPM break? No! It more than just broke. I'm probably not gonna enter it anymore. My whole entry's toast. But yeah, that looks like a solid point. Like, yeah, screw it. We're gonna play JPM, guys. We're gonna play JPM. All right, let's go. JP Morgan. I mean, we're pretty much at entry now. 814, 106 calls. They're about, actually, let's go 105. Let's go like in the money type of deal here. 105 calls. 814, 105s. Let's get it. Place order. Where did JP Morgan, my baby, go? All right, just stay above our entry. That's all I ask of you. Looks like it wants it. I'm not that concerned about it. I'm just afraid that it was a false breakout there. Suppose we will see, though. Roku, Box, McDanks, JP Morgan, Baba, Tesla. Adobe, BAC, Kroger died, Boeing. Also, guys, I don't know if you just saw me on my charts, but Boeing, that 190 point is really important. If we break that, I'll be going long Boeing. Your Charles Schwab froze. That ain't good. Looks like we hopped out of McDanks at literally the perfect time. Congrats, team. We timed that exit perfectly. We still in JP Morgan. Yeah, for now. Looks like it was a false breakout, though. Honestly, now that I think back at it, I probably shouldn't have entered it at all. Definitely an impulsive move. Um, yeah, but we'll see if it plays out. It's sitting right around $10 below our entry, so if we end up having to stop out, we will, but not the end of the world. McDank's more than made up for it if we do have to. Oh, Baba. Let's see if Baba will break here. I'm looking at 814, 255 calls on Baba. Waiting though. Not in. Okay. I'll probably wait to enter until the bids clear 252.5. You know, I'm just going to cut JPM. That way I can focus on other stuff. You guys feel free to stay in. The setup looks good. It looks bullish. I'm just cutting it because I want to be able to pay attention to other things. But you guys feel free to do what you want. We're going to be watching Baba here closely. Baba 814, 255 calls are what I'm looking at. Once when the bids clear 252.5, I'll probably be entering. Thank you. And yeah, you could probably have a stop at VWAP. That's probably a safe bet. It looks good to me, honestly. Obviously, just fake breakout there, false breakout, whatever you want to call it. And I just want to be able to focus on other stuff. So I'm going to be paying attention here to Baba pretty closely. Possibly Adobe as well. Thanks. He treated us well today. Thank you, sir. Whew. Come on, Baba, baby. I know you want to break that resistance for us. I dare you. Dang, my back hurts today. Oh, look at that beautiful rejection off the VWAP, guys. That's lovely. That's really nice. Oh, can you guys hear me, by the way? Just curious. Yeah, okay, good, good. Look at this. Oh, it was a clean bounce. Not anymore. It was pretty cool, though. I liked the technical analysis side of things like that. Boeing, Facebook, Tesla, Adobe. Where's Roku? Ah, yes, Roku. Huh? That's one hell of a dragonfly doji. Hmm. If we see a clean break above this, we might end up day trading this. Um, VWAP at 251. I don't think this is a good VWAP setup, Mary Rose. I am looking to play this break, though. Let's go back to Roku. I'm really liking the Roku setup right now. This will be more of a range trade. So for those of you who are very impatient, like I am, you might find this a pretty difficult trade to take, but it'll most likely be a range trade. Facebook Tesla. JPM still looks good. Adobe. Big sad Baba never broke. I was really excited for that. We'll watch the market, see if we come out of this chop or not. I already did 3.25% on my account today. Gotta say, I'm not mad about it. Uh-huh. 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 Facebook. Tesla. Oh, good Lord. Kroger just fell out of the sky. GG's to Kroger. A range trade nader is basically, so what we just did on McDanks is a momentum trade, right? So we played the break of a resistance level. A range trade would be, for the most part, range trading is playing the bounces off of support or resistances, right? So Roku range trade reason why we would call this a range trade is because false breakout underneath this resistance here, I guess it would have been support at the time, and it looks like it's bounced off of it. And if you go to the hourly charts, we see a lot of bounces off of this area here on Roku. So we'd basically be playing a bounce off of it. I don't know, man. You might be able to buy the dip on Kroger, but it looks kind of sketch to me. Yeah, of course, Nader. Anytime, man. JP Morgan had a beautiful bounce off of the VWAP, by the way. For those of you still in it, you should be in profit by now. Most likely, I don't know for sure. Close. That's good. You're at break even on it right now. Nice. Well, once again, I'm not in the trade anymore, so I won't tell you guys what to do. But 105.42 would definitely be key just on an intraday perspective. Oh, nice, guys. You guys are definitely in profit now on JP Morgan. For sure, GK. No problems there though. Never a bad thing selling a position. So pretty much watching Roku, Baba, and Boeing right now, guys. SPY is kind of looking choppy. We'll see if it can turn around here. Nice Geof, 10%. Good job. It's Jeff. Oh, that's right. That's right. I'm sorry. I have a bad memory, I guess. Oh, congrats to those of you in JP Morgan, guys. Nice freaking play. You sold it for loss. Shoot. Yeah, exactly. If we were trying to do the whole day trade of the day thing on McD, we would be in some major pain right now. Good thing that we scalped it. We may be able to short Netflix here soon. We'll see, though. We'll see. I'm not gonna play Bank of America, but you can if you want. I just don't see necessarily any great setup for it, you know? All right. Netflix is always sketchy. I always find that it has a lot of breakouts, but this looks pretty decent here, guys. Um, oh, good night. SPY. Wow. Really not seeing much right now, guys. McDonald's did us nicely though. Microsoft double bottom for calls. What time frame are you looking at? Oh, the 1 minutes. Generally, you really don't want to be playing chart patterns on like 1 minute time frames. Usually, you want to be looking at like hourly candles for stuff like that. But it doesn't look terrible. Definitely some sort of intraday support here. That's sad, Phantom. It was a quick 25%. Check this out. This candle is going to look really cool. This is going to be a doji candle on the daily here, or a bear hammer. Never mind. I was tripping about when the market opened. Oh, yeah. Kind of cool candlestick, though. You look at it. I think it's kind of cool, at least. I don't know. Shows a rejection off of earlier price levels, yada, yada, yada. Ugh. Tech did die today. Very weak sector right now. Underperforming the S&P as of right now. Yeah, Boeing is. Once again, we'll be looking for that 190 level. If it breaks above that, I'm going all in long Boeing. Interested to see what Netflix does here. Bounce or break? Anybody have any guesses? It's looking like it's going to bounce to me, but it might break. What are you guys thinking? Oh, GG Coca-Cola. You think it's going to break it? Let's see what happens. Ready either way. If it, I want it to break. I'm hoping to short it, but only time will tell. Felix is thinking the break is coming too. Let's see. I guess with the Q's week and all that, probably possible. Yeah, let's keep a close eye on Boeing, guys. We're gonna move Netflix up. All right, all right. Okay, she just broke. Let's see what happens here. Hmm. Yeah, I'll go light into it. I'll go light. So I am very lightly short 814 470 puts on Netflix. Once again, very, very light. It's looking real sketch to me, not gonna lie. I don't know if I trust it one bit. Low volume too, so very sketchy setup that we got going on right now. To be honest, I don't really like it. Just trying to get my feet wet. Bank of America played out. That's good. Oh, you played the High of Daybreak, right, Jeff? Nice. Glad that worked out for you. So I am in profit right now on Netflix, or right at break even now, I suppose. What am I in right now? I'm in Netflix, but it's looking real sketch. Like I may just dip out at break even here, just because it's really looking sketchy to me. Boeing's really close to entry though, so I may end up selling this. That way I can focus more on Boeing. Yeah, I'm gonna dip out of Netflix. Were you supposed to have jury duty? Nice. Well played. Yeah. I'm deciding whether or not to dip out of Netflix or not. It's looking sketchy. I'm probably gonna dip here. Yeah. Let's look at Boeing real quick. Boeing's close to entry, 190 entry. Ooh. I really want Boeing to break, honestly. It would make my day. If it doesn't break, then 2020 is officially the worst year out there. Yeah, I'm dipping out of Netflix. Looking pretty sketchy to me. Might still break though. Boeing v wet bounce. Um, how I'm kind of confused. How would this be a v wet bounce? So when we're playing a VWAP bounce, right, we need to see a big push up first. We need to have a big push up, and then we need to see descending volume on the pullback to play a VWAP bounce. If that doesn't happen, then there's no VWAP bounce play intact, you know? So first thing you need is a big push. So let me try and find you a better example of a VWAP bounce, because this is most definitely not any sort of VWAP bounce you could play. McD looks decent. Let's try and find Phantom a view at bounds. Actually, I'll pull him some homework from one of my other classes. Phantom, I'll DM you some homework from one of my past classes to show you what we're looking for when we're doing a VWAP bounce. Because that's definitely not, Boeing definitely doesn't got one in play right now, at least. We're looking for it to break 190 though, for sure. That would be good. I guess the main indication that you could even think of is Boeing never really came off of VWAP here on this push, right? It never really came off of VWAP. It kind of followed it. We wanted to have a big enough push that it comes off of the VWAP, if that makes sense. Yes, sir. Please go up, Boeing. We want to play you. And Baba, too. Baba's looking real nice right now. So, like, for example, right here would have been a good idea for the VWAP strategy, right? We see a big push down. We would have wanted to see volume going down on this pullback, right? That didn't happen. But if there was descending volume on the pullback, this would have been a good VWAP strategy play because it comes off of VWAP. It's a big push down. Yeah. Butte. How is somebody asked how McD is looking? Well, I'm glad that we took profit on Mickey D's MEEP. Scalp City for life. Scalp Gang, whatever you want to call it. Kind of got out at the perfect time. You didn't take profit? No. You got greedy. You were up 60% and you didn't take profit. No. I'm sorry, bro. It happens to everybody, though. How much are you down right now? Oh, you only took an $8 loss. That's not bad. Amazon near support. Check that out really quick. I don't want to miss this Boeing break. Looks like it's coming up on the hourly, he says. Yeah, it is by some pretty big support here. In fact, I'm actually going to move this down to there. Not gonna lie, the Hive Daybreak looks pretty nice on Facebook right now. May end up playing that as well. So we're looking at Baba, Boeing, and Facebook right now. Facebook looks close to entry. You guys down for some more trades, or do you guys want to call it a day? Crown's out. Okay. Oh, Facebook. One more. All right. Love to hear that. Oh, you're just not trading anymore. Gotcha. The Netflix. I told you, Crown. I told you it was sketchy and that I was going very light in it. Yeah, I'll stop signaling that type of stuff for you guys. Anyway, Facebook here. 814, 265 calls, all in. Entire account in there. Just kidding. I'm joking. Please don't. Please don't do that. Felix says too late. Nice. So I got in Facebook at 3.8, 3.78. And if it's another false breakout, I'm going to cry. I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, Mary, I got in at 3.78. So we pretty much got the same exact entry here. Yep. 814, 265s are what I bought. You know, sometimes the chart lines up perfectly and it still doesn't play out. Chart's looking real perfect on Facebook right now. However, we will see. Phantom, are you still using Robinhood? Oof is right, Nader. We're at 3.2 now. Let's see if it bounces here. That level just looks so good, in my opinion. BA is looking good. Looks like it's going to break soon. Forming a bull flag. Not that I can see. However, I've really never used bull flags or bear flags before, so quite possible. But like just from a casual inspection of the chart, I don't really see one. It looks like Facebook wants this here. I'm assuming the queues dumped, which caused this. Yeah, the queues absolutely pooped themselves. Yeah, I really haven't been using them as much lately. You know, it's a great pattern and I love using them, but classically speaking, they're almost always, day trade or swing trade type of stuff. Um, which I just haven't been feeling confident playing lately. But it's still definitely a great pattern to know and to use. Boeing's coming close. Facebook is hopefully going to get back up there. Honestly, the Qs. It's just such a choppy market right now. Facebook does got a lot of sellers. We're seeing some big volume on this green candle as well, though. Once again, Mary Rose, I think you could most definitely attribute it to QQQ sell off right now. Looks like it's holding up pretty well despite it, though, so I'm pretty confident in it. I like it. I'm going to wait a bit longer, too. Yeah, we should be able to play both of these. Facebook and Boeing here. You know, there's just some stocks like that. Like for me, I find Roku gives me so many fake outs. It's absolutely terrible. We'll see if Boeing breaks, though. Seems like it keeps rejecting off of this like 262 area here. Maybe if we get above it, we'll be able to see something happen. Oh. Break it, you pansy. Should we just start insulting Facebook until it breaks for us? Facebook, your mom doesn't love you. I don't know what else I can say. Anybody else have any good roasts? You're switching to MySpace. I like that. Facebook, if you don't pop, I'm going to switch to not Instagram because Instagram owns Facebook. I'm going to switch to yeah, I agree. Twitter is better. You prove us wrong. Facebook, more like Facebook. Nice. Nice. Well said, Silver. Well said. I'm liking this. I don't think Facebook likes it very much, though, which means that we should keep doing it for sure. Facebook, your girlfriend looks like my mom. Um, Facebook has a big forehead. I agree with that. Facebook's forehead. The fuck? Facebook, your forehead is brighter than your future is. Um, what other games can we play with Facebook right now? Millipede, Facebook. I don't know if I understand that one, but sounds like a good roast to me. Yep. Let's go. Keep on going up. Okay, give us another one. Zucker sucks. I agree. Facebook. Zucker sucks. And your girlfriend looks like my mom. Nice. This is going to be, I'm in profit, by the way. I'm going to shave my position just because Facebook. Ooh, it's at 3.95 now. Let's go. Start shaving your position, guys. Start trimming. It's at 4.05. Pop off. One last roast to finish him off. Somebody do it to him, please. Start trimming, guys. Cream face looking dude. All right. Well, guys, I gotta say, I think verbally assaulting the stock worked. Good teamwork. I did trim 2/3 of my position now. We're at 4.2. Kind of be silly not to. Yeah, I'm gonna trim. I'm just gonna take profit on all here. In at 3.8, out at 4.2. I'll take it. Looks like she has legs to run off Facebook. You screwed me over once again. You screwed me over. All right. 45 profit. Let's go. Nice, guys. Um, so why didn't we average down? I mean, it didn't drop enough for us to average down, really. Like, we weren't down that much. Oh, it's at 4.7 now. Screw off, Facebook. That's cool. You're welcome, Aditya. Anytime. 4.8. All right. So, guys, I guess verbally assaulting the stocks really does work. I'm proud. It was some good teamwork today. We did them dirty. We did it. Verbally assaulted it until all it could do was go up. Facebook did pumped another $50 right after our exit. I know. It's back at 4.5 now, though. No shame there. I'm all right getting out at 4.2. Scalper life, I guess. Nice, guys. I'm gonna keep this in mind. Maybe I should add this in my next trading course that I teach. Looks like the Green Signals team has been accused of cyberbullying. Reports. Nice, Isaac. I'm gonna add this to the next trading course that I teach. How to verbally abuse a stock. I love that, guys. Baba is close to entry. We might need some more assaulting. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's just a clean break. But you never know with these stocks nowadays. How to abuse Felix, dude. How to abuse a stock into submission. That's some like Wall Street bets type of stuff right there. Nice though. I appreciate it. That was good. Well, it worked, guys. Don't hate on the strategy if it works. You know what I mean? Anyway, Baba, Boeing, waiting for both of those guys to break. Facebook did well. Nice. Financial narcissist. I agree, Nader. I'll post it in the trading chat just to make everybody jealous. I'll send profits and then say verbally abused Facebook into submission. So funny. What's entry for Baba? Jeff, our entry is going to be 252.5. Probably going to wait for the bids to clear though. And then we're watching Boeing above 190. All right, thank you, Silver. It was a pleasure. I will see you guys soon for those of you leaving. Baba's getting close to entry here. Looks like it might break here soon. All right, Baba's getting real close here, guys. We're 20 cents from entry. I'm waiting for it to break that 252.5 level. I guess, yes, that is high of day. However, that is a resistance that dates back past today. I'll show you. You see, we see like a rejection here, here, right? So it's definitely a pretty strong resistance. Wait, not Facebook. We're trying to play Baba here. All right. I have no hope for Boeing anymore. I don't think it's going to break. Facebook makes it rough. We'll have to keep that in mind next time we play Facebook. Let's wait for the bids to clear, by the way. But anyway, though, looking at the 814, 255 calls, they're right around 300 each. We are not in them yet. We are waiting for it to break. I'm looking at the 814, 255 calls. Have it all loaded up on my phone, just waiting for it to break here. That's okay. 257.5s don't look bad either. The spread's not bad on them, which is really the important part. Low on buying power. Yeah, I feel that. Happens to all of us every once in a while, Phantom. Anyone uses Weeble? I think a couple people here do use Weeble. Not quite sure though. Looks like Baba might reject. Big sad. Disney above High of Day looks nice. Let's look. Yeah, it does. Nice little ascending scallop there. Quite a few rejections at this level too. As you guys can see, rejections in the past right around this level. We'll keep it on watch. We'll move it next to Baba here. We'll be watching both of these guys. Baba with the big boy rejection. Very sad. All right, guys. Well, it is looking like neither of these are going to break. Um, if they don't break in the next like 5 or 10 minutes, yeah, market definitely is very choppy today. Today's like definition of a chop fest. But if Baba or Disney don't break soon, I'll probably head out, guys. I'll stay watching them though. Coke is looking good too. Oh yeah, look at that. Once again, watching above this 49.23 area, I want to show you guys why I like that spot so much. We've been seeing Coke trading in this channel, right? Up, down, with 49.23-ish being the top of our channel. So we're waiting for that to break. Boeing is teasing us. It keeps on getting right up to that 190 and then not breaking though. are those light blue lines of support and resistance called? What do you mean by called? Fresiano. Oh, how to add them to trading view. So basically all you do, so right, we got this toolbar on the left side. You click on this and then you can choose trend lines, all of this stuff. Click horizontal line. And then I figure out where I want to place it. And let's say we want like 250, let's say 258. I'm going to move it to 258 and then click. And then it's going to be down right there. You feel? Yeah, yeah. All these blue lines I add myself. So like if you go through like any of this stuff, you know what I mean? Like they're all gonna have blue lines that I have added as part of like my TA going over the day. Boeing is getting there. Baba just is struggling right now, but Boeing is going. All right, guys, I might head out here. It was a pleasure. Facebook and McDonald's are huge trades that we made today. Um, McDonald's was like 25%. Facebook probably should have been right around 20%. Probably could have been closer to 30 or 40. But, you know, it is what it is. What brokerage do I use? I use Charles Schwab. Best broker out there in terms of fills. Definitely not user friendly though. Facebook was 10%. Okay. 1.8 to 4.2. Yeah, that makes sense. Right around 12% probably. Yeah. We'll be watching for Boeing. Boeing looks like it's going to break soon. But I will see you all later. It was a pleasure. Maybe do another Zoom call to let you guys know. But I will see you all.